CrownCAD 2026 has fully upgraded its assembly design capabilities, improving assembly accuracy and efficiency. New professional mechanical mate types are introduced, including cam, mate, rack and pinion mate, screw mate, path mate, and linear coupler mate. These enable easy implementation of complex motion constraints, ensuring the accuracy and reliability of mechanism motion. Assembly management becomes more efficient. It supports direct editing of component names in the feature tree, with automatic synchronization to engineering drawings and BOM to ensure global consistency of design data. The standard parts library adds high-frequency, commonly used parts such as springs, spring washers, and bearings, as well as ISO standard parts, facilitating standardized design.